Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on really quickly and show you how fast you can get dinner ready and on the table with a little bit of prep work. So I've made a pot of chicken noodle soup today. It was really easy. I did cheat a little bit and I had a package of our stock packs going in the pressure cooker for a couple of hours. I ran out to a client's house for an appointment. I came home, that was ready to go, so my broth was done. Then I had pre-diced onion in the freezer. Some say don't use prepared vegetables like onions, some do. You know what, I had it, I stuck it in the freezer because it was extra. I'm pulling it out to use it. I used that. I stopped at the store to get celery because I didn't have any of that. I did have baby carrots in the fridge and I wanted to use those up. I had a half a bag of frozen corn I wanted to use up, and I had 2 potatoes out of the garden. And what else did I put in there? The carrots, I said, oh, the bag, I had German noodles, about 2/3 of a bag that I wanted to use up, and I broke those up and put those in there, and I seasoned it with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and it has taken me about 30 minutes with those couple of prepared things. And I'm going to have soup, a big pot, hot, steaming, yummy homemade soup in just about 30 minutes with a little bit of prep work. So if you'd like this recipe and you would like to see more of this, let us know in the comments below and we will make that happen. See you soon.